In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns in Microsoft Planner. If you're organizing tasks in Planner, columns are called buckets, and they help you group work into clear stages or categories. For example, you might use buckets for ideas, tasks in progress, tasks waiting for a review, or completed work. Adding a new bucket is quick, and once you know where to look, it becomes a simple way to keep your plan board more organized and easier to manage. To get started, open Microsoft Planner and go to the plan board where you want to put in the new column. Make sure you're in the board view, since that's where buckets appear as vertical columns across your plan. If you're already inside the correct plan, you should be able to see your existing task columns lined up on the screen. Once you're on the board, look for the option that says Add a New Bucket. This is the control planner uses to create another column in your layout. It usually appears alongside your existing buckets, so if you already have several columns, you may need to look toward the end of the row. Click on Add a New Bucket to begin creating it. After clicking, Planner will give you a field where you can enter the bucket name. Type the name you want for your new column. It's a good idea to choose a name that clearly reflects the stage of work or the type of tasks that will go there. Keeping bucket names short and descriptive makes your board easier to scan at a glance, especially when multiple people are using the same plan. When you've entered the name, press Enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do, the new bucket will be created and added to your board as a new column. You can then start moving tasks into it or create new tasks directly inside that bucket, depending on how you want to organize your workflow. That's all it takes to add a column in Microsoft Planner. The key thing to remember is that columns in Planner are managed through buckets. So whenever you want to expand your board structure, just use the Add a New Bucket option, name it, and press Enter. Using buckets thoughtfully can make a big difference in how clearly your team tracks progress. A well-structured board is easier to navigate, easier to update, and much more useful for staying on top of tasks.